In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Steam library and create automatic collections. Collections are a great way to organize your games, especially if you have a large library. Dynamic collections can even sort your games automatically based on filters you choose. To get started, open Steam, sign into your account, and click on Library at the top of the window. In your library, click the Collections icon, then select Create New Collection. Enter a name for your collection, then choose Dynamic to create an automatic collection. Next, set the filters you want to use. You can organize games by things like whether they're installed, their genre, or their Steam store tags. Steam will automatically add matching games to the collection. Once you're happy with the filters, save your collection. You can also customize your library by adding collection shelves, and if needed, you can manually add games to collections as well. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Steam collection and made it easier to organize your game library.